So if you have a 2003 Trailblazer and you're experiencing possibly a loss of power, or it seems like the engine may be straining to go, and it's this electronic fan clutch. What happens is the fan clutch locks up, and it kind of sounds like an airplane taking off. It's a well-documented problem, so if this is what you're experiencing, what you need to do is replace the electronic fan clutch. It runs about $230 if you buy it at your local parts store. If you're lucky and you're able to find it on eBay, you might be able to get it for under $100. And